Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? I hope good. Welcome you all back into today's video and welcome you all back in my channel. My name is Miriam, the owner. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. So today, guys, guess we'll be preparing for breakfast. We'll be making pancake. If you haven't had cameroonia pancake, today I'll be showing you how to make it. It is easy step to go. You just need a cup of water, have a cup of 1.5 cup of water, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and your flour So I'll be using the gold model flour for my pancake today. So we'll be preparing pancakes and fried egg. So let me take you guys through the process, okay? Before we start, if you're new here, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And the most important thing, always turn on your notification bell so that whenever I remove a video, you will be the first to be notified. So let's get started by doing a hand wash. Okay, we need to wash our hands before starting to touch food. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do some hygiene. Wash my hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Okay, make sure you wash your hands very well. Make sure you wash it very well for at least 20 seconds. Then you'll be good to go. Alright. Let's get some paper. So what? Good. This got put in the trash. All right, so guys, next step, we're going to, this is the bowl, and I have my whisk. This is the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and break 2 eggs inside. Okay, watch what I do. Okay, I have my 2 eggs. Let me bring the camera closer so that you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. This is pancake. So break your 2 eggs in the bowl. This is the first one, and the second one. And then you're gonna give it a mix. See that? Then next thing, we're gonna go ahead and put some sugar. Okay, hold on. This is my powder sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and put the quantity I want. Okay, I like my pancake sweet. It's up to you. If I make it sweet, you don't want, I just put the quantity I want. I'm not making too much pancake. I'm just making something for the morning, like something for breakfast. So you're gonna go ahead and mix it together with the eggs. A little more sugar. So guys, you can put a quantity of sugar you want. For me, I like my pancake to be sweet. That's why I go for not so much, like it should be, you know what I'm talking about. So just give it a mix. And the next thing, you're gonna put a pinch of salt. So this is my salt. I put in my hand. This is all we wash. So just a tiny bit of salt, okay? So you give it a mix very well. And then the next thing you're gonna do, I had a cup of water. This is cold water, okay? This is cold water. I'm going to go ahead and pour it inside. Actually, 1 cup is enough for the bread for the pancake, because look at that. By the time you put your flour, it's gonna be here. So I don't want something too much. I just want morning breakfast that can last for today. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add your flour. Easy recipe. Your water, your sugar, your pinch of salt, your eggs, and your flour. 5 ingredients. 5. Did I say 5 ingredients? So guys, this is our pancake. You guys see the dough? It's a little bit thick. I'm going to go ahead and put a pinch of water. Okay, just a pinch of water, not too much. Not too much. Okay, I have a pinch of water. I'm going to add my Some people like thick pancake. I like my own to be like watery, like light. So it's a little bit thick, and then I'm going to add more water to it. Okay. You see, guys, I told you guys in the beginning, 1 cup is okay, but after you add the flour, look at how it's so big, like feeding 5 people now. Too much. That's what I mean. Too much. Oh, now. Oh, good. Guys, you see this texture like that? That's what I was looking for. Now the pancake, I don't know if you guys can see. I hope you guys can see me very well, right? So that's our dough. You see, that's the picture I was looking for. Now I have it. All right, so you guys should feel free to taste it. Like if you the sugar, it's not okay, you can go ahead and add more sugar. So this is the dough. Good. That was what I was looking for. This is easy to go. You see that? All right. So we're gonna go ahead and take the whisk off. Take the whisk off, put in the water, and then let's clean up a little bit. Okay, I clean as I go. So guys, we have all be like tidying up a little bit. So I think it's time for us to go deep in the pancake. Like let's turn up our flame to medium. We don't want it to get burnt. And then here I have my vegetable oil in the bowl. Like it's vegetable oil. I will be needing it for the pancake. Okay, so let's wait for the. Of course, you have your fried pan. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, because for me, I'm okay. I'm good. We thank God for the day. We thank God for everything. He made it possible for us to be alive today, which I'm so grateful for that. So, guys, all right. Turn your flame to the medium. If it's burning, you can put it to 20. Okay. It's been a while I had pancake. Like seriously, for how many months today I haven't had pancake? I'm like, today I have to show my YouTube family how you guys make How to make cameroonia pancake is a step. You just need your sugar, your water, your flour, pinch of salt, and what, 2 eggs. That's it. Oh guys, so happy for this day, so happy. So guys, I think our pan is already ready to go. It's hot, I can feel it. So you go ahead, grab it, a little oil on the spoon, you just put on it, not too much, okay? Something to make the pancake to stay. All right, first of all, the pan is very big, so I don't know why I didn't use a small one. Oh Miriam. And then once the oil is hot, you can go ahead and put your so you take a spoon, maybe a spoon and a half, or 1.5, okay. So you guys see that, right? Put it back on the fire, let it cook, and then you flip, turn the side, okay? It's just like waffles. When you're making waffles, same thing. When it's ready, you have to turn the side and let the other side cook, and then you can pull it down. So that's how you do. That's how you make the cameroon pancake. So easy. It's smelling so good. Smells so good. Smells so good, guys. Smells so good. See guys, you try try this recipe at home. You'll never regret it. You will like it. You will like it. It used to be our favorite breakfast when I was still with my mom and dad. So like every weekend we have to make pancakes. Every weekends. Okay, you have to be checking it so that it doesn't get burnt, okay? Just to make sure. Oh yes, let's flip the side. Guys, you see that? Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. You guys, I hope you guys are able to see. Oh my body. I don't know the remix of that song, but I love it. I love it. I love you. Alright, we'll take the pancake out. It's ready. Let me show you guys how it looks like. That's a pancake. Smells so good, guys. Smells so good. Let's do another one, okay? Let's make another one. You see the pancake? It's very nice. I like it light. Some people like it thick, but I like it like this. I love you. So nice, nice, and it smells so good. Let's do another one. Uh-oh, I burnt it. Oh, yum. I forgot my frying spoon inside, so So let's make another one, okay? Guys, I'm done. This is my last pancake. Ooh. So nice. So, yo. So that's the whole bunch of pancake. I think I have like 6 pancakes. It turned out too much. That's what I said in the beginning. It turned out too much. So I'll eat this today and tomorrow. So I'll be having the pancake with fried eggs. So this is the pancake. This is the pancake. I showed you guys, right? My hand has all been washed, okay? Ooh, hot. So I'm going to keep this aside. And then let me show you my eggs. I'll be making fried eggs to have it with my pancakes. So, whew. So I have my green onion, I have my celery, and my yellow onion, and then my habanero, like chop habanero. I slice it. So, all right. So we're gonna go ahead and put this, and then the seasoning I'll be using for the eggs. I have my Maggi, my seasoning, my black pepper, and my salt. These are the 3 seasoning I'll be using for the eggs. Okay, so let's get started. You take a bowl, you put all your sliced vegetable. You put your green onion first. We go with your celery, and then next you go with your green onion, yellow onion, and then you go with your chopped habanero. Okay, let's do some hand washing. And then we take the fork right here, open your seasoning. This is the seasoning I'll be using. I'll put it inside. Put black pepper. I love black pepper, like the smell. So good. And I put salt. Excuse me, I'm sorry. The black pepper make me to sneeze. So I'm gonna give this a mix so that the spice will go inside the vegetable. And then maybe you can keep this to sit for 1 minute, like because you want the seasoning to go inside the vegetable. That's how I make my eggs. So, and then I have my eggs here. This is my eggs. I'll be using the 6 eggs. The 6 remaining eggs. The sun comes up. It's a new. Guys, this is song that every single day I sing it. Okay, every single day I sing this song. It's so nice. The thing is that I don't have a good voice, but I love this song. let me try if I can sing it to you people. Bear with me. Forget about the voice, but just take it the way it is, okay? Okay. Bless the Lord, my soul, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship His holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day, it's time to sing your song again. Whatever happens and whatever lies before me, let me be singing till the evening comes. Okay, guys, this is a pen we've been using for the what is it called? X. So, guys, I need to say something about the pancake. I would recommend you guys to use the smaller pan of this because this one was way too big. It made my pancake to be large. So I recommend you guys to use the smaller pan so that it's gonna give the pancake the shape, okay? So, and then also some Cameroonians put like onion in their pancake, so you can do it the way you like, but this is what this is how I made my pancake. Okay, you can add your whatever your onion, either the red onion or yellow onion. It's up to you, okay? And you can also do it this way. Whatever works for you, go for it. So this is the pan I'll be frying the pancake, and then my vegetable. You guys can see the water coming out of it. That's what I was looking for. And then I'm going to go ahead and break our eggs, okay? We'll have the eggs all. How many eggs have I broke so far? 2, 4, 5. See, so give it a mix. Give it a mix. So guys, I added a little bit of salt and Maggi and black pepper because it was not enough. So you need to taste the eggs so that when you cook it, you know that it tastes good. So our oil is already hot. We go ahead and it's gonna be, I'm making a scramble because I need to wrap it with my pancake. So guys, our eggs is ready. You guys see that? I like the green color of it. Smells so good. Like it smells good. I just like the smell of the black pepper. It's one of my favorite seasoning. So I just like the smell of the black pepper, and then the green onion too. So let's wrap our pancake, okay? I'll take this spoon, take eggs, put it on the pancake. Guys, my hand is washed, okay? I washed my hands already. So you guys see that? I'm gonna wrap it. Guys, you can also have the pancake just like that. It's just that I decided to have mine with eggs. So you can have it just like that, or you can also eat it with syrup. I like it with syrup, so it's just I don't have any syrup at home. I could have it with syrup instead of eggs, okay? It's so good with syrup, and also it's also good to eat it just like that. So I'm going to wrap it. and it smells so good. It smells so good, guys. Smell so good. All right, so final step. This is the final step. You see how the pancake is looking? Very nice, guys. Let me make another one and then show you guys how you eat it. Show you guys how you eat it, okay? Okay, so you hold it like that. Guys, if I haven't tried this, it's so good. It's so fake. Let me take another bite. Guys, it still so good. Try this at home. You will like it. This is the final step of the pancake. It's looking so good. See, guys, looking so good, guys. Oh my god. All right, I think we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you do like this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what you think about it, the whole process of it. Was it easy for you? So, and then also please click the like button and the notification, and then also subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Be safe, and then do have a blessed day or a blessed night, whatever your time difference is, and we say bye bye. I will see you guys in our next video. I love you all. Be safe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. The pancake is so pretty. It is so pretty. I'm like, Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day, a good night, whatever your time difference is. Alright, guys, peace out.